First, lay the bike on its side. Remove the rear seat and take out the controller. Locate the motor wires and disconnect the cables. Locate the hall sensor wire and disconnect the cable. Then pull out the previously disconnected cables. Cut the cable ties that secure the wires. Loosen the nuts on both sides of the motor with a wrench, release the chain, and finally remove the motor. Now, start installing the new motor. Align the gaskets, mount the motor, and then fit the chain. Tighten the nuts on both sides and adjust the chain tension. Then install the brake. Secure the motor wires with cable ties and route them through the frame to the controller. Connect the motor wires to the controller, then organize all cables and place them neatly into the control box. Finally, install the rear seat. When installing, pay attention to the buckles under the seat. Align them. With the 4 holes on the frame, push the seat forward to lock it in place, then fasten the screws.